Good afternoon to all of you present here. Today, me and my friend, a same known from senior secondary school, myself Anup Pracharya and my co-partner P.S. Banerjee are here today to explain you about the gearbox. What is gearbox? A gearbox is a simple mechanism or structure that is used to rotate any type of turbine or other things. And this is under the resource management. And we made this structure or this diagram with cycle gears, then ball bearings, then rods and pipes, adhesive glue, then gear belts, cardboard for support, and the wooden base. The objective we have here is that the purpose of this gearbox is to produce a high amount of speed and torque at the ends of the gears. So I would like my friend to explain you further.
So here we have a gearbox. As you can see that a bunch of gears are attached over here in a pattern. This gear is attached to this one and this gear is attached to this one. Now here Euler's angular velocity law is applied. Let's take these two gears. When I spin this gear, you can see that the linear velocity of these two gears are same. But since the radius are different, the angular velocity is different. This one has a larger radius, so this one has a less amount of angular velocity. This one has a less amount of radius, so this one has a less amount of angular velocity. So the angular velocity is increasing by each gear as each gear is attached to one another. So if I spin this gear with a very less effort, we can see that this gear is spinning very fast. So we can use this gear to spin the turbines of a generator to create electricity. So now let's talk about torque. So according to Archimedes' principle, torque and speed are inversely proportional. That means that this gear has a large amount of torque as it spins slowly, and this gear has a less amount of torque as it spins very fast. So as this gear has a large amount of torque, that means that this gear can easily pull any kind of heavy objects as like a lift. So to explain the function of a lift, I am going to show you a practical. So I have taken this bottle and attached a string, and I have intentionally added some water to give some extra weight. So I am going to tie the string over here. And as we spin this gear, the lift will go up, and we can easily spin this gear because this has a very less amount of torque. So in a very less effort, we can spin it very fast. As you can see that when he's spinning that gear, this bottle is getting up. And if he does the reverse thing, the bottle is getting down. Now this acts as a lift. Since this gear has a high amount of torque, it can easily pull any heavy objects from a high point. So we can conclude that this device is used to create either high amount of RPM or high amount of torque at the end gears. Instead of using those high voltage powered motors, we can add many gears together and create electricity by spinning the turbine really fast.
Thank you.